Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wax paper and parchment paper can be used interchangeably in many applications, but not all. Wax paper melts when exposed to heat, while parchment can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the brand.
Take our lead.
Don't use wax paper to line baking sheets or cake pans or put it in a hot oven. Wax paper is useful in many other ways. Bottom line, you can use wax paper and parchment paper interchangeably if you are not cooking with heat. If you are cooking with heat, choose parchment paper.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cooking spray. This is a good substitute for parchment paper for baking, as it was originally used for baking cookies, before parchment paper came into use. Slightly grease the cooking pan or baking mold with butter, cooking spray or any shortening of your choice.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
According to Martha Stewart, the major difference between the two is parchment paper is heat resistant, while wax paper should never, ever go in the oven. By the way, here's why most recipes have you bake at 350 degrees. Wax paper, on the other hand, is coated in, well, wax.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Silicone baking pads, often referred to by the brand name Silpat, are a great replacement for parchment paper. Just drop one onto your baking sheet, and whatever you cook or bake on it will come right off. There's no need to grease your pan, and there's very little to clean up afterward.
Take our lead.
When wax paper gets hot, its wax begins to melt. The notion that you'd have to be cooking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or more for it to spark a fire is false. Wax paper can and does catch on fire at typical cookie baking temperatures of 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Take our lead.
Yes, you can put parchment paper in the oven. Most brands list a suggested temperature limit on the box, typically in the range of 400 to 425 F. Bulik Easy Roll parchment paper is oven safe up to 464 F. It's the silicone coating that makes parchment paper heat resistant and suitable for oven use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.